everyone, in this video I will talk about how to increase the growth in Airbnb. So we have to focus on three things. The first one is we have to focus on the PLG growth, product led growth, and another we have to create an MVP for that features, and other one is how to increase the revenue model. So here is some PLG initiative which enables the cross-functional growth. According to all the teams, we have classified all the PLG enabled initiative. The first one is marketing, where we can categorize the pages, and we are ensuring the amount the budget is using almost none or very less. So in the marketing, so we have already data, so from the inventory data, we can localize more categories like couple stay nearby Delhi, tourist place nearby hill station. Something we can more categorize according to the location. And in the sales partnership, we can share the referral link. We can collaborate it with nearby other small companies like wedding planners, HR influencers, so they can refer our stays. And in support team we can do a kind of initiative for the first time guest. If they have any doubts, any queries, so they can feel free to ask. In the operational team, this is the one of the kind of bottleneck for the hostel chain. So we can uh, increase a hostel chain in the tier 2 cities, and we can connect with the operation team to we can increase more. And in the data analytics, we can share all the funnel code and not the start metric. Product embedded growth loops and flywheel. So here we have some ideas. According to that, we can make a loop. So at the end, they can use our application, and like it will be a kind of a loop. So the first feature is split payment group booking. Like when multiple people are booking, so they can invite their co-travelers to pay at the same time. So here invitee must sign up to pay. If the invites get to a someone through WhatsApp or any other, so they have to sign up to pay. And now they are our new users, so they can book our future trips. They can share their wish list. For example, plan together, I and other person, my girlfriend or my partner, I can share ki we can try to wish list ki we will plan together somewhere, this place or other place. There is one SEO loop we can do. We can say ki post your photos, post your review, and we can show them into the category pages. And also we can make it share it on the social channels like Instagram and Google ads, so it will be more growth. Host referral. So one host can get host can share to another host, and he will get paid kind of referral bonus. Verify trust badge. So sometimes hostels and the newcomers, the first time couples are kind of hesitated to book Airbnb over the hotel sometimes. So we can put up verified trust badge. So it is verified, it is couple friendly tag. We can show them so that they can come again, and like they can book again and again. So these are some MVPs. So I have focused on mainly two MVPs. The first one is split payment group booking. So hypothesis is guests traveling in group booking, they can book, but mostly what happens, a person is only person who is booking, who done the payment, all the things. So here we can do a split payment group. So everyone, like whatever the price is distributed, so it can be divided into all, and the only person has not to pay everything. So they can pay at the same time. And what is the assumption? So group booking are large enough to share data traffic. So we have a lot of data we will have, and it is very inexpensive. So we can do a kind of test initially, like there is just a button, invite friend to split this stay, and we can share it, he can share it on social media like WhatsApp, Instagram, and there will be a UPI link, and they can directly pay to it. And initially we can run it in 2 to 3 city for a few weeks, and then we can see if it is working, then we can move ahead on it. So the success metric is CTR. Our success metric is to they have to click on that invite to split button, and after that they can come to our website and they will do the sign up and then the payment. And there is we have to check no drop in primary because checkout completion rate. So we have to focus on this guardrail. Other is verified trust in couple friendly badge. So this is the one of the other important aspect. So the hypothesis is first time Indian guests, the couple, the college students, the person who are coming to Airbnb for safety and privacy. So we have to focus on them. So for them, the trust privacy is the main thing, not the price. And so we can show a kind of verification badge to them for the first timers. This is purely safe and this is 100% genuine. And we can make a kind of prototype where we can put out the 50 to 100 listing across the cities, where we can do a kind of collection of all these are couple friendly. We can show a trust badge there, and we can show them. What is the success metric? Success metric is this key first time conversion we want it, and it is in the secondary we have to check ki it is repeated booking, the person, the couples, the partners, the people are coming back or not. And we have to guardrail it, the host operation, that they have to focus on that if it is written it is privacy, uh, there is no breach of privacy, there is 100% safety, so it should be there. Revenue model, we can there is already revenue model of it like gas service fee, host service fee. But how we can increase the revenue model for Airbnb? So these are some right now what is the issue with the Airbnb. So we can do some proposed revenue model for the Airbnb is dynamic pricing model. So just like the flights tickets, similarly we can do according to the uh, rush in the Airbnb booking, we can do a dynamic pricing. So it will work. Similarly, the guest trust verification fee. So on which hotels where we put that this is safe, this is trust badge. So there we can charge some kind of cut a small fee on to justify it, because this Airbnb is safe and it is anonymous and you will be have no privacy concern. So we can charge a little bit amount. Ki, these are the thing. This charge is only for this, and that's why Airbnb is better than this hotels. And one thing we call also add the add-on commissions. So we can connect, for example, people are mostly whenever people are book their trips for the in groups, they are looking for activities and all. So for example, someone books into the Rishikesh, so we can connect with the local businesses like the trekking, like cooking classes, poetry classes. So if they want to join there, when they are trying to their payment, then we can show them ads on. So if you are interested in this VNB, so now you are also interested in this nearby local experiences, if you want you can also book there. So we can get some commission because we are helping their businesses, so we can get some commission from them. So these are research